Yeah, I officially started vlogging today, so today's the first day of vlogging.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Oh my god, it's this month! I just realized that. Okay, wait, go this way and I'll go this way. Ready?
The girls are having a hard time learning today.
Side eye.
Go, Justin! Yeah, hurry! This is not funny! How do you guys feel?
Excited.
How do you guys feel? Excited? How do you guys feel?
I'm so excited.
How do you feel?
I feel good.
How do you guys feel?
Excited. I cannot wait.
Wait, girls.
I'm so
Stop.
So you need to know when your brains all I run, then you drop to the floor. Oh, yeah, I mean drop it down low, then you come back up and lean back like a roll. Yo, now you know how to ball, just don't to the side, grab a hand and it's on. We gon' fall to the left, fall to the right. I'll teach you how to ball, teach you how to ball. Everybody talk, everybody talk. I'll teach you how to ball, teach you how to ball. Everybody talk, everybody talk. I'll teach you how to ball.
How do you guys feel? Cold. Woo!
Give it one more time for the team. How are y'all feeling with the band?